Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing stuck food and heavy grease so the polish can work. Use a silicone spatula to avoid scratches. Once done, add 1/2 cup white vinegar and enough water to cover the stained areas, then bring to a simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. This loosens residues and neutralizes mineral spots. Make sure to let it cool a bit before handling. Simmering both sanitizes and prepares the surface for the next abrasive-free cleaning step. Now you switch to a gentle abrasive, a baking soda paste. Mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part water to a spreadable consistency, then apply directly to mineral marks and discoloration. This lifts without scratching. Once applied, scrub with a soft sponge or nylon pad, always moving with the grain of the stainless steel to preserve finish. After scrubbing, rinse thoroughly with warm water and inspect under good light, because thorough rinsing prevents residue that dulls the shine. You complete the process by drying immediately. Use a clean microfiber cloth and remove every drop of water to prevent new spots. Once dry, apply a few drops of olive oil or mineral oil and buff in small circles to restore luster. Oil fills microscopic pits and repels future staining. If any dull areas remain, repeat the baking soda step or use a commercial stainless polish sparingly. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent streaks appear, rewash and dry. Then buff with a fresh cloth. Residue is usually the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.